চেক করে রক্ত নেবেন, এটাই আমার শখ আছে, আবেদন।
ডাক্তার বলে আরও 4 ব্যাগ ওই প্লাটুন নাকি বলে ওইটা লাগবে। এই 4 ব্যাগ প্লাটুন আর জোগাড় করতে পারলাম না। এইটাই খুঁজতে যায় বহুত হলে, 21 হল, শহীদুল্লাহ হল, ফজলুল হক হল এবং সূর্য সেনা হল, এইসব হলে হলে ঘুরছি। ছাত্ররা দিতে চায়, দিচ্ছে না। হয়তো বলছে 10টায় আসেন, 10টায় আসছে, 10টার থেকে বলছে 1টায় আসেন, আরেকজন বলছে নাই আবার কালকে আসেন। ডাক্তার শুধু বলতেছে ব্লাড না দিলে ব্লিডিং হবে, পিচ্চা পায়খানার ব্লাড হবে এবং মুখে ব্লাড আসবে। এই অসুস্থতাই হলে এই অসুস্থতার পরেই এক রাতের একদিন থাকার পরে মারা যায় বাচ্চাটা। ব্লাড ওর ভাগ্যে জুটল না।
On May 10, 1972, Dr. Nurul Islam, who later became the famous national professor, formally started voluntary blood donation in Bangladesh by donating blood himself.
When there is deficiency or loss of blood, replacement of blood is the treatment of choice and in fact essential. For this replacement of blood, we need blood. For this, we need some donors. Now because there are very few voluntary donors, we have to depend on professional donors. The blood from professional donors is not safe because it may transmit several diseases, notable among which are B and C virus disease, hepatitis virus disease, and the most dangerous of which is the AIDS. Therefore, people should be made aware donation of blood is absolutely safe and no risk to life. If this message is transmitted to people, many would come forward to donate blood, and blood shall not be wanting, and life shall be saved.
Organizations like Shandhani, established in 1978, and Bangladesh Red Crescent Society, established in 1981, played pioneering roles in the voluntary blood donation movement in Bangladesh. Orca, Bathun, and the Quantum Foundation are building on this tradition.
Shandhani is a voluntary organization organized by the medical students of Bangladesh. At first, in 1977, 5th February, with the 6th friend in Dhaka Medical College, we have started Shandhani. And subsequently, 1 year later, when we have placed in the clinical class in Dhaka Medical College Hospital, then we found there are many patients who are losing their life because of a lack of blood. So we have decided to start voluntary blood donation, and 1978, 2nd November, we have organized a program for voluntary blood donation in Dhaka Medical College Blood Bank, and there were 26 students donated their blood. That time it was a rare occasion, so all news media, they published our this program of this news of this program, and subsequently we have started in all the medical colleges branches of Shandhani.
Bangladesh Red Crescent Society started its blood program in 1981 with the main aim to motivate the people for voluntary blood donation. Then it has started 100% blood screening, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, syphilis, and HIV, and also malaria. And then it has started supplying the blood components. Initially, the blood program started in Dhaka, then it is spread in 5 branches in other parts of the country. Now, Bangladesh Red Crescent Society can supply around 40,000 blood and blood components a year. And Bangladesh Red Crescent Society has an advantage that they have huge number of volunteers around the country. With the help of that volunteer, we are trying to motivate the people for voluntary blood donation. At the same time, we are motivating the doctors community for using the blood components.
Old Rajshahi Cadets Association, Orca, এটা রাজশাহী ক্যাডেট কলেজের প্রাক্তন ছাত্রদের একটা অ্যালামনি অ্যাসোসিয়েশন, যেটা 1972 সালে প্রতিষ্ঠিত হয়। আমরা অন্যান্য কার্যক্রমের পাশাপাশি 1982 সাল থেকে আমরা স্বেচ্ছায় রক্তদান কর্মসূচি পরিচালনা করে আসছি। এ পর্যন্ত আমরা 188টা ক্যাম্প আমরা করেছি, বিভিন্ন প্রতিষ্ঠানে আমরা করেছি, যার মাধ্যমে আমরা প্রায় 9000 ব্যাগ রক্ত সংগ্রহ করতে পেরেছি এবং এর মাধ্যমে আমরা 9000 মুমূর্ষু রোগীকে আমরা সাহায্য করতে পেরেছি।
For almost a decade, the Quantum Foundation has played a significant role in the Safe Blood movement in Bangladesh. Motivation is key to any voluntary blood donation program. Quantum has a strong motivation team. Through continuous efforts, this team has gathered a large donor pool. More than 75,000 people have donated blood through Quantum between 2000 and 2007. More than 8,000 people have pledged to become lifelong blood donors. Because of their contributions, Quantum Foundation has been able to help save the lives of more than 125,000 people.
The Quantum Foundation's voluntary blood donation program began in 1996 with two primary goals: to ensure that not a single life is lost because of lack of blood, and that no one is infected with a deadly disease during blood transfusion. The Quantum Lab is a modern blood bank and was established on April 14, 2000. Right from the start, we have followed the World Health Organization's guidelines about collection, storage and distribution. Every unit of blood is screened for HIV/AIDS, Hepatitis B, Hepatitis C, Syphilis and Malaria. Every unit of blood goes through a rigorous 3-phase cross-matching process before distribution. We separate each unit of blood into 8 different components using the latest technology. As a result, we can save at least 4 lives with only 1 unit of blood. Each time someone donates blood, he or she gets free screening reports for 5 different diseases. Those who choose to become lifelong blood donors, they are being honored with a crest, a special ID card and a certificate. We also guarantee our donors blood free of processing cost for their own emergencies. We now provide 24-hour service. We are working tirelessly to ensure no one has to leave Quantum Lab empty-handed.
In 2003, in order to raise awareness about voluntary blood donation, Quantum Foundation arranged a special ceremony to honor 1,000 voluntary donors. The program was the first of its kind in Bangladesh. Since then, the foundation organizes ceremonies to honor 100 voluntary blood donors almost every month. Renowned personalities of the country inspire the donors with their presence on these occasions. The donors are honored with crests. A lifelong blood donor silver club has been formed with those who have donated blood 10 times or more, and a lifelong blood donor golden club has been